Besides ordinary vertical cylindrical grinders, Dawn Machinery can offer a customized model based on customers' requirements. We can also help customers design specific clamping devices. All those customized structures are designed based on the mechanical structures customers want. With those special structures, many accuracy issues, as well as productivity, are solved. Those issues are used to be problems in the cases of boring, vertical double spindle grinding, complicated high and low speed processing, special profile grinding, gear grinding, end teeth grinding, eccentric grinding, and micro-hole grinding, tungsten grinding, forming grinding, and deep hole grinding.